Good morning, boys. Already we have completed the first part of decimals. Today I am going to solve the exercise of decimals. I want you to copy down all these solution in your notebook, and the work what is given, the task what is given at the end of the video, you will copy down and try to solve it in the notebook. Good morning, children. The first part of video you have seen all the properties of decimal, how to add, subtract, multiply and division. Today we will solve the exercise of that same lesson. We'll start. I want you to note down, I want you to copy down all the solution. I am solving the exercises. Okay, let's start. Convert the fraction 3.025 into, the decimal is given 3.025, you need to convert it into fraction. So I will write 325 by 1000. I am not taking out the in the integral part, let the integral part be like that only. 0.025 is 25 by 1000. Then I will divide 25 and 1000 with the HCF. I can divide with 25, it's 1, and it is over here 40. That means I can divide both the terms with 25. I'll get 3, 1 by 40. This is a first solution into fraction. Convert into mixed fraction 317.0006. Again, the whole number part or the integral part I am not doing anything. Let it be there. 0.0006. I will write 6 by 10,000. 1, 2, 3. So it is 10,000. Again to the lowest form, I can cut, I can cancel. I'll get 3 by 5,000. So final answer is 317. It's 3 by 5,000. Okay. Now convert into decimal. I have not written the question here. It is 137 13 by 625. The last bit of the question. 137 13 by 625. Again, I will not take the integral part. Integral part 137, let it be there. Now 13 by 625. I know I have to multiply with some number so that I get the denominator in terms of or in powers of 10. So I will multiply here both with 16. I will get, the numerator will become 208 by 10,000. So the decimal part is 0.0208. Now I will go with the integral part 137. So my final answer is 137.0208. I have multiplied here with 16. Why 16? 625 into 16 will give me 10,000. Express as decimal 235 paise. You know, this 1 paise is 1 by 100 of a rupee. So 235 paise I will divide with 100. What will I get? 2 decimal place, 2.35 rupees, 2.35. Express 5 centimeter in meter as well as in kilometer. You know 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of a meter. So 5 centimeter is 5 by 100. 5 by 100 of a meter. It is 0.05 meter. Now, what about 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter is how many kilometer? So, 1 centimeter is 1, this is meter, and then again converting into kilometer, 3 more zeros. So, 5 centimeter divided by how many zero? 5 zeros. You have 1 lakh. 5 divided by 1 lakh. You have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 5 kilometer. Answer is 0.00005 kilometer. 5 divided by 1 lakh. So I need 5 decimal place in the answer. Express in kilogram, and that too in decimal. Okay, in decimal we need to express. So 4 kilogram is already in kilogram. Now what about 8 grams? So 1 gram is 1 by 1000 of a kilogram. So 8 gram is 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000, I have 0.008 kilogram. Now you will add the 4 kilogram over here. So it is 4.008 kilogram. First you will convert the gram into kilogram, then add the kilogram along with it. What is the excess of 20.4 over 9.7403? How much is 20.4 excess over 9.7403? Excess means more. So 20.4 minus 9.7403. You can see they are unlike decimals. I can make them into like decimal. I'll put some 0 here, and then normal subtraction. You have to arrange them. So now you will take out the, here it will become 3. This is 10. Again it is 9. This is 10. Now it's 9 and then 10. So now you will subtract. You will get 7, 9, 5. Then carry over here 13. 13 is 6. And here it is 10. 10.6597. Answer is 10.6597. Now, for exercise 2.6, okay, question number 1, we need to find out the multiplication, the product of the decimals. So I have taught you in the first video, you will just ignore the decimals. I will multiply 25 and 3. I know I have 1 and 1, 2 decimal numbers in my answer. I should have 2 decimal numbers in the answer. So first I will multiply, I will get 75. But my answer is having 2 decimal place. So then I will write down it is 0.75. Similarly, the second question is 1.07 into 0.02. Total how many decimal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 decimal numbers in my answer. Okay, I will ignore the decimals now. It is 107 into 2. How much it is? 240. But my answer should have 4 decimal place. 0.1234. 4 decimal places. So I will first fill up over here 214. I cannot start. I will start with the right side. Then I will fill it with a 0. So 0.0214. 4 decimal place. That is why here you need 4 numbers after the decimal. Now division part, 4.28 divided by 0.02. 4.28 divided by 0.02. Okay. So I told you that we need to take out the decimal from the denominator. We will make the denominator a whole number. So how many decimal place here? 2 decimal place. So I will multiply with a 100 to take out this decimal and make it into a whole number. So similarly in the numerator also I will multiply with same number. You can't multiply with different number. You will multiply with the same number both numerator and denominator. So what will I get after multiplication? I will get 428 divided by 2. Now you will see the new dividend have no decimal places or no decimal numbers. Okay. So just Leave it over there. No decimal numbers in the dividend. Now, what is 428 divided by 2? I'll get 240. No more decimal numbers because the new dividend have no decimal numbers or no decimal places. Now, what about the second question? I have here 58.635 divided by 4.5. So, 58.635 divided by 4.5. I have to get rid of the decimal in the denominator. I'll multiply with a 10. Okay. I don't have to multiply with 1,000, but I will just multiply with a 10 so that the denominator will become a whole number. So, what is the new dividend now? 586.35 by 45. Now, the new dividend have how many decimal numbers? It got 2 decimal numbers. After the decimal point, 2 digits are there. Okay, so now ignore it. Now we will do the normal division. I'll multiply, divide with 45. It's 1 time. I'll get 45. Then I'll get the remainder 13. Take down the 6. 3 times 135. I will bring down the 33. It will not go. It's again 13 3 times. So you will get 1303. Now you will check how many decimal numbers we need in the answer. So answer is 13.03. 13.03. Now, question number 5. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 and breadth is 3.5. First of all, you know what's the area of a rectangle. It is L into B. So, we need to multiply 5.7 into 3.5. You can see 1 plus 1, 2 decimal numbers are there in the, or it will be there in the product. Now, I'll simply multiply 57 with 35. I'll get answer 1995. But that is not the final answer. Final answer, I should have 2 decimal numbers. So, I'll get 19.95. You tell me centimeter into centimeter. I'll get centimeter square. That is the final answer. Now, if rupees 242.46 are to be distributed among 6 children equally, find the share of each of the following. First is, what is the first statement? Amount to be shared, it's rupees 242.46. Now, how many children? Number of children is 6. Amount they will each get. Again, it is 242.46 divided by 6. So, here you have your denominator is a whole number. So, you can simply ignore the decimal and then start doing the division. 242.46. No decimal places. Going to divide with 6. I'll get 4 times 24. Then take down the 2. Will it go? It's no. Now, here it is again 24. Again 4 times 24. Now 6 I'll take down, 6 will go 1 time. So my quotient is 4041. But you know you need 2 decimal numbers. You have 2 decimal numbers in the coefficient. So I have to put decimal. Each student will get 40.41. When you say, you will not say 41, you will say 40.41 rupees. Okay, exercise 2.7, question number 3. 4 1 by 2 minus 2 2 by 3. There are so many brackets over here. So, we will solve one bracket. 2 2 by 3 divided by 7 by 12 plus 5 1 by 2 of 3 5 by 6. This is the question. First of all, I will solve the first bracket here. I will make it into improper fraction. 9 by 2 minus 8 by 3 divided by 7 by 12 of, I am sorry, not of, plus 11 by 2 of is into. Then 3 5 by 6 is 23 by 6. Now you need to solve the bracket. If you are following, you know the rule, that is the BODMAS rule. First you will solve the bracket. So I'll cross multiply because the denominator is 6. I'll get 27 minus 16, the first bracket, divided by 7 by 12 plus. Now the off part. Off part I cannot cancel any of the number because it is 11 into 23 by 6 into 2 into 6. So I'll multiply 11 and 23. I'll get 253 divided by 12. Now the bracket part is 11 by 6. Then the whatever is division, I will make it into the reciprocal. I'll get 12 by 7 plus 253 by 12. I will cancel over here 6 and 12. I'll get 22 by 7 plus 253 by 12. Take the LCM, it's 84. So I'll get 264 plus 1771. Answer is 2035 by 84. You need to convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 2419 by 84. 2419 by 84. That's a final answer when you are converting it into mixed fraction. Now question for simplify. So when you are doing this one, we need to first solve the line bracket and then the common bracket. Line bracket will be over the numbers. Then you have the common bracket. Then you have the curly bracket. And then you have the rectangular bracket. This is the order. So first I will solve 0.8 minus 0.03, the line bracket. I'll get 0.77. Now the common bracket. You have 2.7 minus 0.77. What will I get? I'll get 1.93. Now the curly bracket. 3.6 minus 1.93. I will get 1.67. Now I have the rectangular bracket, which is 1.89 minus 1.67. So that is in the rectangular bracket. I'll get here 0.22. But one more number is there. What is the first number? 2.3 minus 0.22. So my final answer is 0.08. First the line bracket, 0.8 minus 0.3, I got 0.77. Then 2.7 minus 0.77, I'll get 1.93. Then when I solve the curly bracket, I'll get 1.67, and then the rectangular bracket I will solve, I'll get 0.22. Now the question over here is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. The numerator part I am solving first. 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5. I will take the LCM, I will cross multiply, I will get 25 plus 2 by 10. It is 27 by 10. This is the numerator part. Now the denominator part is 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. I have again 5 by 2. Now take the reciprocal, I'll get 5 by 1. So the denominator part is 25 by 2. Now I will combine 27 by 10 divided by 25 by 2. Again I'll take the reciprocal of 25 by 2. So I'll get 27 by 10. I'll write the reciprocal. I will cancel this 5 and 10. I'll get 27 1 by 27 by 125. Okay, these are the homework I want you to do. Already I have done all the patterns, and these questions you will solve in the notebook. Okay, so you will just go through the solution what is given in the video. Almost all the patterns are covered in the video, and then try to solve the questions what is given in this task. Have a good day, boys.